Bella was a young inventor with an insatiable sense of curiosity. One sunlit afternoon, while scouring the nearby forest for materials, she stumbled upon an overgrown and shadowy castle. Intrigued, she pushed open the heavy, creaking doors and stepped inside. The castle was dark, filled with cobwebs and forgotten memories, but Bella was undeterred. She imagined the place as it might once have been, full of life and light. As Bella explored, she was unaware that she was being watched. From the shadows, the beast, a creature burdened by his fear of being different, kept a wary eye on her. He marveled at her courage and her inquisitive nature. The beast, whose appearance frightened most, found himself drawn to Bella's bright, inventive spirit. During one of her explorations, Bella finally encountered the beast. Though startled at first, she quickly saw beyond his fearsome exterior. She spoke to him not with fear, but with a kindness and curiosity that melted his defenses. Tentatively, a friendship began to form. Together, Bella and the beast started to restore the castle. Bella brought out her inventive tools and set to work fixing gears, mending broken mechanisms, and breathing new life into abandoned rooms. Meanwhile, the beast revealed his own hidden talents. He had a remarkable ability to create and shape with his hands, a skill that complemented Bella's inventiveness perfectly. As they worked side by side, the once shadowy halls began to glow with light. Gears turned smoothly, inventions whirred and clicked, and magical touches seemed to spring from their collaborations. The castle transformed from a place of abandonment into a beacon of life and creativity. The colors of sunrise and sunset spilled across its restored walls, symbolizing the renewal of everything within. In the final scene, Bella and the beast stood together, overlooking their masterpiece. The castle, now a brilliant spectacle of their combined efforts, shone with an inner light. It was not just a symbol of their hard work, but of the friendship they had forged. Bella, with her bright ideas and fearless heart, and the beast, with his hidden skills and gentle soul, had found in each other the courage to bring light to the darkest of places and to be unafraid of their differences.